If you sell print-on-demand products on Amazon like I do, there's a good chance you notice something. During major shopping events, shoppers scroll faster than normal. And when search results are filled with static product images, a lot of listings start to blend together. That's why I want to talk about sponsored product video ads inside Amazon Ads and how print-on-demand sellers can use them to help their ads stand out more naturally while shoppers browse. One thing I like about sponsored product video is that you don't necessarily need a professionally filmed commercial to get started. A lot of print-on-demand sellers already have their lifestyle mockups, product photos, and branding assets that they can use to create simple videos for sponsored product campaigns. And with sponsored product videos, you can upload multiple short feature videos inside an ad group instead of relying on one single video. So if somebody shopping on Amazon cares more about fit, fabric, or design details, Amazon Ads can automatically surface the most relevant product feature video based on their shopping intent. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through my sponsored product video playbook for print-on-demand sellers specifically. You guys might not know this, but I also have an Amazon FBA business that used to be, I'm not gonna lie, a lot bigger back in the day. I focused more on print-on-demand really since about 2020. Today is all about print-on-demand. I know that's what most of you guys are here for anyways. I'm gonna show you how I'd approach Amazon ad campaigns ahead of major shopping periods like Prime Day for print-on-demand sellers. One reason preparation matters this year is that Prime Day 2026 is scheduled to run for 4 days, from June 23rd through June 26th. Amazon expects millions of deals across more than 35 product categories. So sellers like you and I have a large opportunity to get our campaigns, creatives, and product selection ready before the traffic ramps up. During high traffic shopping events, customers tend to compare products extremely quickly. They're scrolling through Amazon shopping results, opening listings, comparing styles, checking pricing. So anything that helps your ad feel more visually engaging while somebody scrolls can be extremely valuable. If I do a search for Father's Day gifts, right there at the top, you can see that ad is really engaging with the video. These ads autoplay directly inside Amazon's shopping results, giving them an opportunity to really make products feel more dynamic compared to everything else on this page, which is a static product image. Now, I'm not knocking static product images. I've made millions of dollars in sales on Amazon over the years selling this way, but the new sponsored product video ads, it's hard to argue against how catchy they are when it comes to competing for my eyes' attention. Behind me is an example of a sponsored product video ad that I love. Now, personally, if I was preparing a sponsored product video campaign for POD products, the first thing I'd focus on is something like this: choosing a product that has that natural connection with emotion or identity or lifestyle. This one definitely has emotion, because that's honestly a huge part of what makes print-on-demand work in the first place. So right now, I'm on Printify's top picks for Amazon page. If you guys didn't know, they literally put together a page with some of the best-selling print-on-demand products for each selling destination, including Amazon. And this is actually really useful in terms of brainstorming what products may pair well with your sponsored product video ads. For example, apparel is a really strong category because video ads can really invoke emotion in potential buyers and all shoppers in general when they picture themselves wearing a design. And for apparel specifically, I'd think less about creating one big narrative video and more about highlighting individual product features. Maybe one video focuses on fit, another focuses on the fabric or drape of the shirt, another focuses on the design itself, and that's honestly where I might start, or how the product looks styled in a real world setting. It all depends on your target audience. This could include somebody actually wearing the shirt and also help the creative feel more authentic and relatable while shoppers browse. Even simple motion inside the ad creative can help communicate a vibe or emotion faster while somebody's scrolling. Little things can help the ad feel more eye-catching without needing a full production setup. Drinkware is another category that works really well for this as well. A mug or a tumbler are extremely popular print-on-demand products that often connect with a daily routine or a lifestyle moment. Think about drinking your coffee in the morning, that first sip, nothing hits quite like it. Or maybe bringing your water bottle to the gym, your favorite water bottle. Even subtle motion inside a sponsored product video ad can help communicate those feelings more and evoke that emotion in a shopper while they browse Amazon. Sometimes a quick animated phrase or subtle motion effects are enough to grab someone's attention while they scroll through shopping results. Now, one important thing I want to mention here is I think it's a mistake some sellers make with sponsored product video ads where they overcomplicate the creative. Honestly, a simpler ad creative usually works better in my experience. Amazon shoppers move quickly, so instead of trying to create a cinematic ad, I would really recommend focus on one product, one feature of the product, one feeling or use case as it makes sense for what you're selling. Think about what makes someone emotionally connect with the product. That emotional connection can be a huge part of print on demand and what closes the deal and results in a sale. Another thing I'd focus on before major shopping periods is preparation. One thing I've learned after years of selling on Amazon is that high traffic shopping events reward sellers who prepare campaigns early instead of waiting until the last minute. So before Prime Day or other large shopping moments, I would definitely recommend review your sponsored product campaigns. Decide which products may benefit from video ads, and then prepare the creative assets ahead of time. Organize the campaign structure early. The more you get done, the better positioned you're gonna be, especially because testing creative before traffic spikes can help you feel more prepared going into those high volume shopping periods. And the nice thing about sponsored product video ads is that it integrates directly into your existing sponsored product campaigns. That's actually what I want to show you right here. From the video tab, go ahead and click add video on that specific product or variation. It'll pop out the sidebar, and here you can do just that. Either upload a video from your machine, or if you've ever used Amazon's video builder, you can go ahead and choose from your previous creative assets. Amazon Ads has also shared data showing advertisers using sponsored product videos saw significantly higher click-through rates compared to static images alone. And honestly, it makes perfect sense because motion naturally helps those ads stand out while shoppers are quickly scrolling through search results. At the end of the day, I think sponsored product video is especially interesting for print-on-demand sellers because, let's be honest, print-on-demand products are often emotional purchases. People buy designs that reflect who they are, what they enjoy, what makes them laugh, or what connects with their lifestyle. And sponsored product video ads can help communicate those emotions faster while shoppers browse Amazon shopping results. So if you sell print-on-demand products on Amazon, I definitely spend some time experimenting with simple sponsored product video creatives using the mockups and assets you already have. By the way, I did a video ads in Amazon. I'll link to it right here in the YouTube cards in case you missed it. And if you want to learn more about sponsored product video and Amazon ads, check out the resources linked below.